Here we are, using the Google Glass on the River Cam with Johan de Haan.
Nice to meet you.
For Cogeneration in exclusive, we will record the river, just a little. It's very relaxing,
Yeah.
isn't it? I like it a lot. Every year I come here, I do the patent trip.
That
I
has
like
been
it a
3
lot.
years for me.
Yeah.
Quite often.
I've been coming from 8 years now, from the beginning of Cogeneration. From 8 years, from the very beginning, I keep myself coming.
Yeah. Yeah, it's,
I like it, it's like a small family, and we all know together.
I know, and I really enjoyed it. I've been here for 2 or 3 times in a row, and then it became so busy at the company. So for 2 years I skipped, but now I'm back. So
So it's nice to have you here.
it's good to be back to meet all of you. I mean,
Maybe remember why.
it's indeed like a small family.